All right, so this is a third video. On this session, I will share my screen regarding how you want to run the survey or operate the survey. So here is the link for the survey, https www.surveylegend.com/s/2FLQ. So make sure you type in, and okay, once you type in, there is a link. I try to preview through this video sharing. Okay, while waiting for the survey to start, I share again the survey legend link, the activity link. So you can just snapshot and make sure you go to the correct link, because this is a video instruction activities. You need to copy everything from this screen and try to copy and type on your Googles or whatever. And when you type in, there is a pop-up with this survey. It starts with the title page of Decision Support Tools Design View. And when you receive this page, you need to click Start. So this is the consent form, like what I explained just now. Yeah, you can just read through the purpose of the activities, where are we from, and there's no risk for you whether you want to join or not to join. But yeah, so this is the universities is from University Malaysia Pahang. So importantly, that's for student I mentioned just now, you need to click agree. So for agree, you need to fill up your full name. For instance, I have my name Alex Lee, my contact number. Yeah. So this is my contact number, my email address, and to determine which kind or what type of project to be assigned to you based on the IC numbers here. So for instance, your IC numbers end with the last digit of 8 and 9, just click at the 9. And you need to click next. So next is the instruction that I explained just now, 3 main steps. I repeat again, the first step is about pre-questionnaire survey. Second step is the main activities for decision making. There's a project A and project B. We will see what's that. And the last one is the step 3 for post questionnaire survey. So you just click next. So for pre-questionnaire survey, like I mentioned, we want to understand your perception, your understanding about decisions, about the design build, the decision support system or decision support tools, and what do you expect from today's activity as well. So just example, I just click, you can click on the question mark as well. You can select more than one answer for some of the questions here. So yeah, this one just a demo. So yes, but all these questions for pre-questionnaire are compulsory to answer. So once you answer, you need to click next, and this is what I mentioned just now, project A and B. So for this activity, automatically start with project B. The situation is stated here. Understand the situation. So the decision-making process is using without tools. That means a traditional method, or just now what I explained, the bespoke method. So the simple notes here: what is design and build? What is critical success factors? What is the DB drivers? Design and build drivers. Understand it for your decision-making process. So for critical success factors, try to give more critical success factors, or those factors that what you understand, what factors that come to your mind when you understand the project situation for design and build. If more than 5, you need to key in an additional box here. So similarly for design and build drivers, you can give plenty of drivers that what you understand about design and build. So once you've done all these things, like I mentioned earlier, you need to make a decision whether based on the project situation, is it suitable for you to apply or not to apply design and build for this project. For instance, maybe I say yes for design and build based on my understanding. So the next two sessions is on the confidence level. How confident are you based on the traditional method to make a decision? Maybe I just put 8, and your satisfaction, I should put 8. This is an example. So once you answer all these things, you need to go to the next step. For here, you can see it as a project A, and the project situation is given to you as well. And the only thing is the methods is different based on the different situation given to you. The method is by using a decision making using a tools. So let's try using a decision support tools. Like I mentioned just now, you need to click through this website link and wait. Importantly, don't close the survey. Yeah, for this survey legend, please don't close it, because once you try to use the tools, you need to come back to this survey to complete the remaining activities. So we go first item, click the website link given to you. So you will pop up with this website, decision support tools for design build projects. Yeah, it's for construction industry. So let's try using DB for decision making or the decision support tools. Here is the link or the download link for you to download decision support tools. Click it. Yeah, so we'll be download the tools for you to use. So based on this project situation, you have the tools, use it, open it, yeah, in Excel format. Okay. Yeah, we just wait when loading. Okay, you will receive this kind of Excel file sheet as a audition support tool. So the first page will ask you about your advice, your total contract amount for your upcoming or your DB projects, or maybe you choose not to disclose. Yeah. So for student purposes, the second answer you can assume that what are the organizations that you plan to work when you graduated from the university. For instance, maybe consultant. Okay. So for this part is for consultant. All these 9 items is the critical success factors, and you need to select your answer or your decision whether yes, no, or you unsure about all these about the factors that given here. So for instance, you have maybe this I say no, that one I have unsure. And for decisions, for the design and build driver as well, there are few variables or factors given to you. So maybe for instance, this one you say no, you not agree with that. So once you've done all this process, you need to click submit. Submit is for you to go through to the next sheet from the Excel file or from this tool. So submit button. So you can see the decision based on the criteria or factors that you answered just now. Based on your decision for each of the critical success factors and drivers, this project, based on the situation that given to you earlier, is 82%, meaning that the category is under suitable for design and build. So for this construction industry rating is whatever more than 80 is suitable for you to adopt, design, and build in a construction project. So whereby, let's say lower than 80, there's a between 75 to 80 is a borderline. Of course, certain item or factors you need to understand to improve in order you want to adopt, design, and build into a construction project. So once you try everything, you try these tools, you need to go back to your survey legend here. Like just now, you obtained 82% for based on this situation and based your selection of your decision. And the answer here, yes, because it's 82%, yes, can apply that and build for this project based on this situation. Similarly, for your confidence level by using the tools, maybe you have 8 or so. And your satisfaction level after using the decision support tools is also 8. Just an example. Yeah. So once you've done this, you click next. So this is the third part of the activity, which is you need to answer the post questionnaire survey. After you then go through 2 main process of decision making. First is about traditional method. Second is using a decision support tools or randomly assigned to you. First is maybe for other participants is first is using a decision support tools. Second, using a traditional method. So this is you want to know your perception. What do you feel after you make a decision by using these two methods? Try to answer everything. Yes, 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 yes. So this just a preview or demo for you to complete the post questionnaire survey. Yeah. It's also take about 1 to 2 minutes for you to complete this post questionnaire. So when you complete everything, you're done, just click submit button. When you click, it will come up with this background. So means that your survey has been submitted to the server or to the operator to analyze your information. So yes, so I just stop sharing the screen. So this is the third part of this video. So thank you very much.